Hi everyone. I posted a tutorial video about solving some of the questions in the quiz access, but there was something I came across this week as I was trying to solve, work through the problems and just learn how to do this that I found really helpful, and so I wanted to share it with you guys. Some probably maybe most of you already know about this. This was just something a little mental trick I found that helped really help me remember how to deter remember which accounts are credits versus which accounts are debits and what is the normal status of what is normal for those accounts and what increases them. And that's actually this what I consider a clever little acronym dealer, um, which is DEALER, right? And so on the left side of that equation is it's dividends plus expenses plus assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity or equity plus revenue. And this has just been really helpful for me to remember what kind of accounts, are they a credit account, are they a debit account, what is normal for them. So because all the accounts on the left side of the word dealer, so those first three letters, are debit accounts, and they increase with debits when they're debited, right? So when they get a debit, that means they're going up, and when they get a credit, it means they're going down. And so because the normal state of when the account has a normal balance for that account, it means that it matches it, whether if it's normal, it means it has a debit balance if it's a debit account, and if it has a credit account, it has a credit balance, right? So then liabilities, equity, and revenue are all credit accounts, and they are the opposite. They go up, they're increasing when they're credited, and they decrease when they are debited. And their normal state is a credit balance. So this was just for me has been hugely helpful as I've been working through problems like, okay, you identify these accounts. Well, so the ones on the left, I just have to remember this acronym, and the ones on the left are debits because that debits go on the left, and the credit accounts are the ones on the right. Even though uh, you know it can kind of trip you up. You're like revenue, well, that's increasing, so that should be on the left side because that's where assets are. But it's actually not. It's dividends, expenses, assets. You just have to remember that acronym. And to me, I found it hugely. Thanks.